Pectoral implants in men are a good solution to add a masculine contour to the chest. So there are men who have a deficiency of volume of their upper chest, meaning they have a concavity of the upper chest, which creates a more feminine appearance to their chest. A very masculine chest has a more convex appearance to the upper chest, and if you need to create a convex appearance to the upper chest, a pectoral implant is a solution. A pectoral implant is a block of silicone, so it's a silicone implant. It's more firm and more rigid than a breast implant. And the pectoral implant is placed underneath the pectoralis major muscle in an effort to augment that contour and give a more masculine appearance to the chest. The pectoral implants are placed through an incision in the armpit, and that is pretty much it. So if you need to add volume to the upper chest, there's really two solutions. One is fat grafting to the upper chest, and I talk about that in a different video. And if you need to add a significant volume to the upper chest, a pectoral implant is probably your best solution, and they are placed through a scar in the armpit, similar to a transaxillary breast augmentation. However, I should clarify that the positioning and shape of the implant is very different from a breast augmentation, because the last thing I want to do is make a man's chest look more like a woman's breast. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.